Most of people were expecting that Mangwawe is going to divorce her husband Musamseleku. We saw it on last episode on season 8. Mangwawe had a conversation with her sisters that she want to divorce Musamseleku. Even on Utando Nestembo and Kat, she had a conversation with her daughter Mawande. She want to divorce her father Musamseleku. But Mawande was crying. That's why Mangwawe took a decision not to divorce him because of her kids. Even her mother told her, because Mangwawe was the fourth wife, why she want to divorce him Samseleku? Because she is the fourth wife. Mayeni Macele Makumalo, they accept her. Why she can't accept Makwela? Because Makwela is the last wife. That's why her mother told her not to leave. Even Musamseleku and Mangwawe, when they took a decision to stay together to get married, Mangwawe's mother had a conversation with Mangwawe that you are going to be Musamseleku's fourth wife, because at that time Masaule was passed on. So Mangwawe's mother told her that it is going to be a problem. Musamseleku promised Mangwawe's mother that your daughter will be the last wife, but Musamseleku didn't listen, and he took a decision to marry another wife. But he explained to Mangwawe's mother. That's why Mangwawe's mother told her daughter that you are the number 4. Why you can't accept the wife number 5? So what I saw sometimes, Mangwawe, she is stubborn. It's not about Mangwawe's mother. Her mother didn't tell her that you have to accept Makwela. Mangwawe's mother wants Mangwawe to accept Makwela because the other wives, they accepted her. But Mangwawe, she is the type of the person who doesn't listen to anyone. The way she is doing to Musamseleku is the way Mangwawe is doing even to her mother. That's why Mangwawe is staying, because of her kids. Her mother and her sisters are told her that not to leave Musamseleku because other wives, they accept you. Why you want to leave? Even people, they can talk that it's like you are selfish. Her mother told her that you act like you are selfish now, because at that time Macele, Mayeni, Makumalo, they feel the pain that Musamseleku is bring another wife, especially Mayeni. It was not okay to her, but she accept Mangwawe as she is, and we saw them together, Mangwawe and Mayeni spending time together. But Mangwawe doesn't want to accept Makwela. Even Mangwawe's mother told her that not to leave Musamseleku, accept Makwela as his wife, because other wives, they accept you. But Mangwawe is the kind of person who doesn't not listen to anyone. She can do whatever she want to do, but we thank God because she listened to her mother that not to leave Musamseleku, because other Mangwawe is doing it for Macele most of the time, because Macele was expecting that if Makwela came, Mangwawe will out of Musamseleku's life. But Mangwawe decided to stay because of Macele. But it doesn't make any sense. It looks like maybe Musamseleku is forcing her to stay or what. I don't understand, because Mangwawe have to stay because she loves Musamseleku. What's the reason why she was we were expecting that she have to tell us? You understand? Because you can't say I'm staying on my marriage because of my kids, or because of someone tells you not to leave the marriage, but you know that deep down in your heart you want to leave that marriage. I don't think that it makes sense what I saw sometimes. So she have to make her decision, because Musamselek, what he is doing now is forcing everything. Because guys, a person can't stay in a marriage because of your kids. Your husband can tell you that I'm staying in a marriage because of our kids, but deep down he is not in love with you. That marriage is not going anywhere. Even we look at Mangwabe and Musamseleko, because people on social media were talking. That's why Mangwabe decided to stay. But deep down in her heart, Mangwabe, she is no longer in love with Musamseleko. She have to give the reason why she is not leaving Musamseleko, because she loves him. like Macele. Macele doesn't leave Musamseleku because she loves her husband.